Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all ways you can install LM Studio on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. First step for installing LM Studio would be navigating to its official website, and from here click download button. This should get you to the official download page with all available formats for your OS. We are going to start from installing DEB installer native format for Debian-based distros, and after I'm going to show you how you can install AppImage of LM Studio in your Ubuntu 26.04. After this, I'm going to quickly look through installation of LLMster or LM Studio Core and CLI interface. Start by pressing this button after you finished downloading your LM Studio Debian installer. After this, add execution permissions through your File Explorer GUI. Double-click on your DEB installer to start installation. It should automatically open installer from App Center and click Install. This is the simplest way you can install LM Studio on Ubuntu, and I'm also going to show you how you can install it from your terminal window. For this, open new terminal window and navigate to the folder where your DEB installer is located in. Next command we are going to execute requires super user privileges. We are going to install our DEB package from apt package manager. Using this command you can install your LM Studio Debian installer from terminal. After successful installation, this LM Studio icon should appear in your application launcher menu. When you click it, LM Studio will automatically start, but the main issue is this application doesn't have native icon. Now I'm going to show you how you can add AppImage application to your application launcher menu. For this, I'm going to be using this guide from linuxcapable.com, and I will leave a link to it in the description. And if you are on Ubuntu 26.04, make sure that you have these dependencies installed, such as libviews, desktop file utils. In my case, all dependencies already installed, and I can proceed to second step. After this, create folder where you want your AppImages files to be stored at. You can create it either from File Explorer or terminal running mkdir command. You can specify p flag if you want to create new parent directories for your application folder. In my case, I'm only going to create application folder inside home user directory, and I'm going to switch my current working directory in terminal to this new directory. After this, I'm going to move my AppImage file to my application folder. If you don't want to type this whole path to your AppImage manually, you can use tab auto-completion from terminal. Next, I'm going to add execution permissions to this AppImage binary by executing change mode command with X flag. You can also add execution permissions from your File Explorer GUI. For this, navigate to the folder where your AppImage binary located and click Properties, scroll down, and right here you will see this button. Click it if you need it. If you don't know your system CPU architecture type, you can run this command in order to see your CPU architecture. In my case, I have x64 CPU architecture, and after this you can verify that your AppImage binary corresponds to your CPU architecture. For this, you can run this command. As you can see, this AppImage has correct architecture, and we can proceed. After this, you are going to need to create a script for automatic desktop file creation for your AppImage. For this, either copy contents from linuxcapable.com or this video description. Create new file by running it with your text editor. In my case, I'm using Nano, and name it however you want. Add shell file extension and press enter. Right here, paste your and change these parameters however you need. After you changed your app name, AppImage binary name, and desktop ID, save the script. In my case, I just going to exit it, and nano prompting me to save this file. I press yes, leave this name, and after you created your shell script, add execution permissions to it too. Same way as you added execution permissions to your AppImage. Execute the installer, and after you have successfully executed this installer, it should automatically update application launcher menu, and we can verify this by seeing this LM Studio AppImage file. Next thing I want to show you is this LM Studio LLMster installer on the main page, which is not working correctly. If you open official documentation for LM Studio app, you can read that LM Studio app, LLMster and LMS are 3 different tools, where LM Studio is the actual desktop application, LLMster is Linux service which is runs on the background, and LMS is LM Studio command line interface that lets you interact with LM Studio Core from your terminal. When I tried to install LLMster from command line, I was getting this LLMster not working issue. I was getting this illegal instruction error, same as many users who attempted install on a fresh Ubuntu 26.04 installation. Let me know if you find fix to this issue, but for now we can wait until developers fix this issue with new update.